Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. This is Vikram here. Today in this video, I'm going to share my new Honda Hornet 2.0 Black Edition experience in detail. In 2020, October 23, I purchased this naked bull. I have driven 3,926 kilometers so far. And today in this video, I'm going to share the problems that I have faced or experienced with this black bull. The first thing that I hate in this guy is stock LED headlight. I'll show you with the proof why I hate this LED headlight. Watch till the end. The second problem is engine heats up too quickly. If you just drive 20 kilometers and touch the engine, you feel the engine heat like you have driven 100 kilometers. Third disappointment is there is no kickstart, only self-start. This LED headlight will not give you enough confidence to drive through dark roads. That's why I had installed two extra LED lamps. Which again puts load on my bike battery, resulting in the decrease of battery life. The fourth problem is during the first week of my bike purchase, I noticed oil leakage near the neck of this cap. When I took my bike back to the showroom and explained them the oil leakage problem, they removed the cap and noticed the absence of oil cap rubber in it, and that's why my bike had oil leakage. The fifth problem is the squeaking sound coming out of rear disc brake is irritating. The sixth problem is seat comfort. I have a very bad feeling on this seat comfort. Out of 100, I will be giving 30% for the rider seat, and for the pillion seat, please don't ask me. I have a very bad experience on the pillion seat, which I will be giving only 10% for the pillion seat. If you are going for a long drive and you are a little fat, I bet you will not sit on the pillion seat again in this bike. Seventh problem is gear shifting problem. In my case, I face problem during upshifting from third gear to fourth gear. Even I change gears correctly, there is a mismatch during shifting from third gear to fourth gear. As you can see here, there is so much play in the gear lever. This stock LED headlight design is only made for straight roads. They are not suitable for curvy roads. I'll show you with the proof. Just watch the video and let me know your opinion in the comment section down below. What is so bad with this LED headlight is that it travels only in the straight direction. When you want to go through right or left curve, you cannot judge what is there in the blind spot. By the time you see what is there in the blind spot, you will be gone so close to it, which is very dangerous. Stock LED headlight travels only in straight direction. As a result, I am not able to see what is there on the right curve. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.